Why don't seniors apply for Calfresh? Because they think it's a new brand of laxative. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Calfresh for seniors. Tip 1. Understand eligibility criteria. The eligibility for Calfresh depends on factors such as income, household size, expenses, and more. Seniors who are above the age of 60 or disabled people are considered a separate household even if they live with others, and can apply independently. Thus, understanding these criteria is crucial to successfully access the needed assistance. Tip 2. Utilize online resources. The internet provides a wealth of information about Calfresh for seniors, including how to apply, documents needed, and various benefits. Interested seniors or family members should explore relevant government websites and trusted non-profits for detailed and accurate information. Tip 3. Easy application process. Seniors can apply for Calfresh online, over the phone, or by visiting a local office. In-person assistance can be convenient for those who are not technologically adept or prefer face-to-face interactions. Tip 4. Take advantage of recertification interviews through phone. Calfresh requires recertification, which can be done through a phone interview. This option saves senior citizens the hassle of commuting, especially beneficial for those with mobility issues. Tip 5. Take note of semi-annual reporting requirements. Seniors on Calfresh are required to report changes such as increase in income or changes in household size every 6 months. Keeping track of these changes will ensure continuous access to the benefits. Tip 6. Use benefit cards wisely. Once approved, Calfresh benefits are dispersed onto electronic benefit transfer (EBT) cards. Using these wisely to purchase eligible food items can help seniors maintain a healthy diet. Tip 7. Remember the importance of medical expenses. Unreimbursed medical expenses are an important factor for seniors in determining the benefit amount. Therefore, it's essential to keep track of all medical expenses, including medication, medical supplies, and insurance premiums. Tip 8. Understand that SSI recipients are eligible. Previously, Supplemental Security Income (SSI) recipients weren't eligible for Calfresh benefits, but rules have changed and they now can apply for the program. Tip 9. Receive automatic replacement benefits during disasters. If a constituted disaster, such as a power outage for 4 hours or more, occurs, Calfresh recipients automatically receive replacement benefits. This provision ensures that seniors don't go hungry during times of calamities. Tip 10. Maximize deductions to increase benefits. Deductions, particularly medical expense deductions, can help reduce net income, which may increase Calfresh benefits. Seniors or those assisting them should ensure that all qualifying and allowable deductions are taken into account during application or recertification. Tip 11. Seek assistance if needed. If seniors face confusion or trouble while applying or recertifying for Calfresh, they should not hesitate to seek help. County welfare officers, community organisations, or legal aid services can provide much-needed assistance in navigating the process effectively.